My father, who died in Cyprus, I forgot the date now, in the 80s at the age of 86. So it is in my genes. I am 77 by December, so I still have 9 years, assuming that I follow his footsteps to heaven.
You live longer.
What did I learn from my father? He was my greatest influence. 3 things. Unwavering loyalty to my mother. I am so loyal to my wife. I am married up to now to the same wife who I courted when I was in 4th year college and who I married on December 27, 1975. Loyalty, not only to my wife, but unwavering loyalty to this Smedley Club of Founders District starting July 1st, 2026 with our Division Director, Mary. The other thing that I learned from my father is hard work and determination, to reach whatever you want to achieve in life. I wanted to become a DTM. I got it in 2014, the first, and hopefully I'll get my second next year. So, loyalty, hard work, I forgot the other one that I mentioned earlier, that shows my being senior, Madam. Seven topics, Master.